Jet is getting a bath from Harry.
What?
How does it feel?
It feels actually pretty good. It kind of stings a little bit.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's probably because his tail, his tongue is kind of rough,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Harry. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh, Bella's going to clean you too. Yeah, grooming time. Harry loves Jet.
He loves me more.
Jeez.
Oh, I love this.
Okay.
Those are my nipples.
Say goodnight.
Good night.